From the Midwest towns to Carolina pine, Pennsylvania steel and the New England line, we've been building dreams with sawdust and sparks, keeping shops alive from daylight into dark. Akins brings the power, Hermance brings the pride, J&G keeps rolling with the South on its side. Every machine, every cut, every plan, backed by real people who understand when the pressure